This July, the BRICS nations will meet in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, for their annual summit, marking a critical turning point in the global monetary system. Originally comprised of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, the bloc has recently expanded its coalition to economic powerhouses like Iran, Indonesia, and the UAE. Now it represents half the world's population and industrial capacity, plus the majority of global resources. But what exactly is the Rio Reset? From July 6th to the 7th, BRICS leaders will gather in Rio to finalize plans for a financial system that operates completely outside the US dollar. For the past decade, these nations have been methodically building the infrastructure for a 21st century financial system that mirrors our post-World War II structure. But with one crucial difference: it's designed to function entirely independent of the US dollar and to ultimately supplant it as the world's reserve currency. While BRICS' alternative currency may not be ready for immediate launch, this summit represents the pivotal moment when their plan moves decisively from theoretical possibility toward inevitable reality. The BRICS nations are motivated by two major concerns to move out of the dollar-based system. First, dollar devaluation. Every new dollar printed by the Federal Reserve or created through deficit spending reduces the purchasing power of all other dollars in existence. This acts as a hidden tax on anyone holding dollars, in the United States or worldwide. Second, dollar weaponization. The United States increasingly uses its financial dominance to influence other nations through sanctions. Each time we freeze a country out of the global economy, we push them and their trading partners to seek alternatives to the dollar system. As this exodus from the dollar picks up momentum, the currency faces its greatest challenge ever. Currently, nearly all international trade takes place in dollars, creating artificial demand that props up its value. If the greenback loses its status as the world's reserve currency, this crucial demand would evaporate and all dollars would lose value, including those in American checking, savings, and retirement accounts. The transition away from dollar dominance won't happen overnight, but the Rio Reset marks the beginning of a new economic era where America's financial influence will steadily diminish. The Rio Reset is not just another international meeting. It's the formal beginning of a fundamental transformation in how the world conducts trade and stores value. The shift in momentum signaled by this meeting makes clear that a reset of the international financial order is no longer a matter of if, but when. To learn more about the Rio Reset, please visit birchgold.com.